withdrawing of the senses will voluntarily isolate your mind, help you in concentration. But then another point comes which disturbs your concentration, and that is rush coming back, from the basement. Whenever your mind is little bit free, you start thinking of past. All the impressions come forward. What technique will you apply during that time? The technique is to let go. No matter what happens, I have controlled my senses. I don't allow my mind to run. My breath is harmonious. My posture is still. I will not be swayed by any form that comes in my mind during meditation. My girlfriend comes, to let go. Bank comes, to let go. A beautiful car comes, to let go. You decide that no matter what comes in your mind, you are not going to get involved with your mental image. How will it help? Remember the sutra. Vritisarupyam, etc. You are identifying yourself with the vritti, thinking process. And that's what you are. You are weak because you are identifying yourself. If you can get free, then immediately you will realize your true self. When you are weak, negative, that makes you very weak and frightened. You can think that this whole house is haunted by the ghosts. You see. You can even feel that somebody is twisting your neck. You can create a ghost for yourself. It's not there. Because concentration of mind you have attained, now you don't know how to use it. So after pratihara, you should learn how to witness. You know, witnessing something is very important. Suppose you give me something to ask, somebody, God forbids, I need medicine for someone. And doctor says, if you bring medicine just now, I can save the patient, but if you don't bring, the patient will die. I drive car very cautiously. I don't go on counting the trees and other cars and people looking at people. My mind is focused towards medicine. There will be no disturbance. Aim should be built first thing. That I have not talked about it. Learning to attain the aim is second thing. But learning to build the determination is very important, which is called Sankalpa Shakti. It's not physical power, it's mental power. You are getting all the aspects of mind to support you in meditation. Why? I want to attain the kingdom of Lord within me. That's what Bible says. I want to attain the center of consciousness. That's what psychology says. I want to attain samadhi. That's what yogi says. I want to attain absolute truth. That's what Vedanta says. It's one and the same. They all say one and the same thing. That's why Bible says, be still and know that I am God. One sentence. New Testament, no Old Testament. They knew. The old sages of Jewish tradition knew what happens after distilling the body. Moses knew. What did he do for more than 40 days on the mount? What did he do there? You think he ran around whole day? He was in meditation. He was in meditation means he was not with the world, he was with God. That is called meditation. training yourself to go to that. So after Pratyahara, your mind is voluntarily isolated from the external world so that you can meditate. But there comes a problem. From the basement, all the sanskaras will come forward. For that, there is only one method, witnessing. In English, that is called introspection. Inspecting within. But that is the advanced stage of witnessing. In witnessing, you don't inspect. You inspect when you have power to inspect. You have a power to inspect all the symbols running, passing through the train of mind. You get the power. Now I will be not involved. No matter what happens. I will be not involved.